How to clear recents on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can clear recents on Snapchat, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to clear recents on Snapchat, all you have to do is go ahead and first of all launch the Snapchat application here. Once you launch the Snapchat app, you're gonna see this type of interface where if you tap the search icon from the very top, you should be able to see the recent people that you've searched, or maybe went to their profile, or maybe the recent filters, whatever else over here. And if you want to clear these recents, what you need to do is right on the right hand side you'll find the option called clear all right beside the recents tabs, and when you tap the clear all option, you'll find the option called clear, and as you do that, all of your recents will be cleared successfully from Snapchat. This way you'll be able to clear your recents on Snapchat. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.